Faster. It's not pacing. It's not pacing. Switch. Come on, Harrison. You got to come up. You're not coming up. Come on, switch. Come on. Let's work. Hey, Ray, I don't know what you're doing. That's not the move. Step up and switch. Come on, let's go. You got too many people around you to not know what's going on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Switch. Come on. Count it. One leg, stay there now. Count. Ray, you got to tap the box. Ray, you got to tap the box at least one time. You ain't tapped the box yet. Let's go. Come on, all the way through. All right, stop. All right, we got planking next. Planking next. Everybody, we planking at the same time. Let's go. All right, and we're going in and out. Set. Go. Faster, 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 faster. Hey, you're not pushing back. You got to push back, Harrison. Harrison, push back. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Harrison, you got to push back. Come on, let's go. Harrison, your shoulders are not moving. Look at me. Look at my face. Push back, push back. Let's go, Kaka. I don't want to see you resting as long as possible. Harrison, you definitely not doing the drill right. Come on. Push back. Go, go, go. No, go back. Why don't you do what I'm telling you to do, my guy? Harrison, push back. Like this, all the way, all the way, all the way, more. Why your butt not in there when I'm saying it? No. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Stop. All right, we got, show Harrison what I mean by push back, please. No, don't say, oh, I want to see the motion. Go. Push back more. More, Harrison. There you go. I want your arms to be able to reach up and pull down any football that's thrown to you, okay? Push back means push back, literally that. All right? All right. What's the next motion? What's the next thing we got? What's first? Show me what's first. What's the next workout? Exercise. Do you see Ray? All right? If y'all notice that he know how to get his leg up so he ain't got to touch the box. Let me see you do it, Ray. Let's go. Let's show me. Hey, can you get up slower? Arms. All right, now let me see you do it. Make sure you know what to do. No, your knees are already bent too much. Your arms, you got to snatch your arms a little quicker, okay? Be aggressive on your arm snatch. That way your feet and your arms are in sync with each other. You don't want them to be off. All right? Y'all ready? 15 seconds before we start. Parents raising athletes, go ahead and subscribe. Got any questions, any drills you want us to do, let us know for the next workout, and we might implement that. All right, on your mark, set, go. Let's go, let's go. Bryson, your arms seem to be off. Ten seconds. Mario, you need to speed up. Stop. What's your number, Tavion? 78. 78, what's your number? 45. You wasn't counting, so don't give me a number, okay? The one thing I can tell you about your face, you wasn't doing what you're supposed to be doing. You was not counting. Next group up, let's go. Know your number, and I don't trust you, so count out loud. Set, go. Harrison, I don't hear nothing. If y'all ever go on the same pace, you have to speed up. Kaka, somebody said hi, Kaka. Summer Woods said hi. 5 seconds. Ray, I don't know what you're doing. Stop. What's your number? What was your number? 23? What was your number? What was your number? 45. 45. So you two off from him. All right, and how many? 78. All right, we planking next. What's the next planking? Push up planking. Let's go. Push up planking. Down the elbows. If you don't know what we're doing, watch the person beside you. Set. Hold on. Go. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Coming up on one hand, Harrison, coming up on the other hand. You alternate hand, never the same hand. Let's go, let's go, let's go. More reps, more reps. 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kaka say hi, Summer Woods. It's Derek's sister. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Stop. All right, y'all got three minutes. All right, what's the next drill? What's the next drill? Do y'all know? I know y'all don't know, but these guys, let's go. Alternate step of it. One of y'all show. No. Y'all put down the ball since y'all jumped to do it first. Kaka, you show them since you didn't move to show nobody anything. Hey, Derek said, what's up, y'all? Derek, you talking about what's up? You need to be here working, boy. Y'all seen what he did? Okay, Harrison, go. Let me know. I want to see that you know what to do. Alternate. That's good. All right, now no, that's enough. That's enough. Next person. Ray, go ahead and stand up. I don't want to watch each one of y'all stand up. That's not it. You just watched 2 people do it and you just did it wrong. That's not it. That's not it.
Step up on the box.
And then step down. Both feet come down. Both feet come down. Bring them down. There you go. There you go. There you go. Hey, I have a problem and a pet peeve about everybody going before you and then you going last and not knowing what to do. Okay? All right. All right, next. Let's go. Show me you know what to do. Down and all the way up. There you go. There you go. You and Harrison got to work on that back leg being a lot straighter than that, okay? You don't want it to be bent or whatever. You want it to be almost triple extension so I know that you're on your toes, okay? So to give you more balance. All right? All right, again, as parents raising athletes, like, subscribe. And Derek said, my dad said I had a hair appointment. Boy, you sound crazy. I wouldn't even put that in text. Derek, you just told me you had a hair appointment. I heard women tell me that, but I ain't never had a boy tell me he had a hair appointment. That's how the world has changed. Y'all see how much the world has changed? This hair appointment got in the way of his training. That has never happened to a man before that I know of.
He was supposed to, but he said.
Oh wait, yeah.
He said his
All right, we got 30 seconds before we go. You can have your ball. Be ready to go. Okay. I don't want y'all picking up the ball when I say when I start counting down. Derek, show me again. You know what to do. Not Derek. You know who I mean, Mario. That's better. That's much better, actually. Much better. All right, so we shouldn't have no issues. Set. Go. Good work, good work, good work, good work, good work, good work. Don't look at me, Mario. I need you working, dude. I don't need you looking at me. Focus on the task at hand, my guy. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Stop! How many you did, Mario? Still didn't count. Look, still, you know. Were you about to give me a number? You know you didn't count. Don't do me like that. All right. Set. Go. Count. Stop. Y'all on 0. Count. 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 You cannot be an athlete and be on the field and not thinking. The coach give you the football, you got one yard to get, and you turn around and start doing a bunch of juking. The coach give you a football, and y'all need a touchdown, and yet it's only 1 second on the clock, and you turn around and down the ball, talking about we got another play to go. You need to be able to think and function. That's why I make y'all count and do other things that cause you to think while you're performing the act. Okay? Out loud. Because I don't trust nobody. Set. Go. Ray, are you telling me to kiss your butt? Then count out loud, Ray. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. Stop. Ray crashed out. What number you had, Kai? What number you had? What number you had? 15. All right. What were y'all numbers? But don't you say nothing, boy.
25.
All right. What's your 30? All right. All right. Planking. What's the next planking? Flip your hips. Flip your hips. Set. Watch them do what they're doing, okay? And they're not down, so they're up, Mario. Say, go. Up. It looks stupid, but hey, Harrison, they're up, Mario. Say, go. Up. It looks stupid, but hey, Harrison, make this stop. Come on. Come on, 30 seconds. Let's go, Ray. Mario, you need to go much faster. Everybody's working, but you're not working, my guy. And you cannot get something from nothing. Let's go. 15 seconds. Five seconds. Let's go, Ray. Stop. Good work. On to the next. Kai, tell us what they got next. Tell your friends what they got next. Hey, Ray, thank you, homie. I'm not Ray, but Derek, thank you for the gifts, homie. All right, what's next? Single leg taps. They're called single leg taps. You see how you tapping it? Huh? No, you need to show me. You're next. I mean, why you gonna wait to stand up? All right, let's get it. All right, but you know he's tapping, okay? They just hit a little cheat code. I see you learned it already. It take you no time to pick up on. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? What are you doing? Yeah, he's tapping under. All right, let's go. What you got? Yes, you tap the top. You gotta get better. Bam. Bam, bam. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it, Messiah. All right, come on. Show me, Harrison. All right. What? The reason why I accept it is because I just need your feet coming up as high as possible. It don't have to be perfect, okay? Y'all got 30 seconds before we start. And actually, I think I'm tripping. I'm doing the wrong amount of time. It's time to go right now. Hold on. All right. Set. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Come on.
17,
Speed up, Mario. 10 seconds. Stop. Good job. Good job. What's your number, Tavion?
60, 32.
32. All right. Those are the numbers to beat. Ready, go. Come on, push it. Arms, arms. 10 seconds. Count the number when you touch the box. Stop. What was your number? You was counting when he was counting, and you weren't doing none of the numbers he was doing. You think this is my first morning doing? You want to tell me when I started doing this workout? Huh? Hey, when I talk to you, look at me. I'm not your teacher. I'm not anybody else. When I talk to a man looks at me when I'm talking to him. If you want to cheat my workout, you're going to look at me and own that shit. Stop counting when he's counting and count your numbers. You can't be going slower than him and counting the exact same number as him. Do you know how long I've been doing this workout? How long I've been doing this workout, Octavian? Since he was 6. We've been doing this workout since he was 6. Same box. So stop cheating my workout as if I'm not going to get it. You don't think I'm smart enough to catch on by that time? All right? Care about your work. Your work is important. The work that you put in is very important. And that work is important because that is the only results you're going to get. All right? No matter how much work he do, you'll get none of his results. I promise you. All right? All right. All right, what's the next word? Actually, we're back in the circle, right? We're on 45 seconds now, right? Huh?
We have to do the other leg.
Oh, the other leg. You're so right. You're so right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Set, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
Octavian, Bryson eating you up. 15 seconds. Hey, don't let him kick the ball under him. 5 seconds. Stop. What's your number? 64? 58? Hey, whenever you look up in the air, you don't know your number. And I didn't make that up. If you look in the air, I heard you count, and when you looked up in the air, I knew you still didn't know your number. Okay? I'm okay with I don't know. I'm not okay with your guessing. Okay? All right. It's gonna the way you're working, how hard you're working, and then you trying to remember your number is not easy, especially if you never did it. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the fact that I hear you counting out loud and that you can't remember it because the oxygen in your brain makes it harder for your brain to work. So you're trying to learn how to work with less oxygen. I get all of that stuff. Okay? And I appreciate the hard work, but I don't appreciate guessing the number. Okay? You're doing good. I promise you're gonna get better. I promise you. Okay? All right. All right, next group. Go! Come on, Ray. I don't hear no numbers. Come on, Ray. I don't hear no numbers. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Stop. Good job. I can appreciate that. All right. What's the next move? Planking move. Huh? No, we're not on 400s. This is gonna be a single. I know it is triangle planking. Show them what triangle planking is. What do you know about his feet in his hand? Huh? No, Harrison. What do you know about his feet in his hand, Harrison?
His hands stay still and his feet stay even.
No, that's true. But his feet came up to his hand. Look, feet go all the way back. Look, they all the way back to the push-up, and they come all the way up. Sometimes it's past his hand. That's what I want you to notice. But yeah, you're right. His feet stayed even. They were side by side. They were working together simultaneously. All right, set. Go! Ray trying to go, Ray, go. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about it. Keep working. Come on, Tavion. I told you was a better athlete when you were younger. You might be. Bring your feet up by your hand. Mario, back way, get away from up under that bag. Keep working though. Hey, don't hit that thing. Let's go. 30 seconds. Feet together, Harrison. Kick you in the feet. Harrison not kicking the feet back and think I'm not noticing it. You straighten out to the push-up position, Harrison. We're working your core. Bryson crashing out. Come on, bring your feet up by your hand or past your hand. I want y'all athletic as heck. I want y'all to be able to play any sport. Y'all core need to be on point. Stop. Good work. All right, y'all know what we got next? We got alternating. Stop. Good work. All right, y'all know what we got next? We got alternating taps. Do everybody know what that is? All right, Harrison. Kai, show them what taps. Do everybody know what that is? All right, Harrison. Kai, show them what alternating taps. This man been working. Maybe a little bit too close, okay? Yeah, alternating taps. Y'all boys. Okay? Yeah, alternating taps. Y'all boys need water? Because ain't nobody, that's my way of saying get water. I'm not asking you. I'm not asking you to do things that you're supposed to be doing. When I'm saying it, that's my way of saying, hey, y'all know y'all not drinking water, all right? But it's not a choice to do what you're supposed to do. No coach should give you the choice, hey, are you thirsty? Hey, do you need to get this? They should know that between every set, y'all should be getting water. Between every rep, y'all should be getting water, okay? It's not a choice. Especially since I know better. If you don't want the water, put the water in your mouth and then spit it out. All right? Do not spit no water on my floor. I don't care if it's turf or not. Y'all go in the bathroom and spit it out, okay? That way your tongue, when it's pulling for that water, is good. It's not going to get dry, all right? We got 45 seconds before we start the next drill. I don't want to start it too soon because these are 1 minute drills. That's the difference in these, okay? Hey, make sure once we start that somebody go sit by him with them balls because he'll kick them balls under y'all feet And Octavian, you remember the last time you kicked the ball on your feet, how you went down like a little bia. Right? All right. We don't need that. We don't need that. All right, let's go. Let's go. We have 4 minutes. Thank you, Harrison. No, don't let him roll it back to him because he might roll it wrong. Set, go. What's y'all numbers? 50? You just hit exactly 50. What's y'all numbers? 50? You just hit exactly 50. All right. 65? 128. That's what your number should be. Y'all number is 50. All right. 65? 128. That's what your number should be. Y'all number should be in the hundreds, okay? But actuality, it would be if I was going to y'all time, because y'all supposed to be actually going in a minute and 10 seconds. All right? Ready? Go! Come on. Ready? Go! Come on. I tell you, get that ball from under his feet. Faster, Harrison. Faster. No, I want you to go so fast, you got to stop, Harrison. I don't want you to barely make, I don't want you to make it. I want you to get in shape that you start making it because you have done it so many times that you're in shape. I don't want you to make it. I want you to get in shape that you start making it because you have done it so many times that you're in shape. Come on, come on, come on. 30 seconds. Come on, Ray, you got it. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. 20 seconds. Come on, fight for it. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Stop. Numbers, what's the number? 80. 80, okay, my bad. Mr. 81. Harrison. 63. All right, yours 50. Bryson, what was your number? 65. And Octavian, you was double. Got you. You was 120 something, right? That's about right. All right, side planking. Side planking. Let's do side planking moving. They're gonna show you. You're gonna have to straighten your legs out, Harrison. You straighten them all the way out. And you raise up, say, go! No, Harrison, just hold your arm in the air. They move their arm because they're trying to move fast. Like, get your feet off that wall, Harrison. Get your feet off the wall. But I told you I've been doing it for a minute. You can't cheat me. Ray, throw your hip in the air. Yes, we count everything. We can't. There's nothing we do where we don't count. You're going to know you got better because you're going to know, man, my number used to be this and now my number is this. There's no way a coach can say you got better if he don't have a time to time you or a number to count by. Other than that, he's just messing with you. 30 seconds. Come as high as possible. High. I don't care about the fastness. I want you to go high in the air. I want you to come as high as possible. High. I don't care about the fastness. I want you to go high in the air. I want you to throw your hip high in the air. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 10 seconds. Octavian crashing out over there. Come on, Harrison. Come on, because we're not stopping. We just switching. We switching sides in a second. Switch. Go. On up and go. Work, 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 work. Good job. Great transition. Great transition. Transition is everything. Nobody know you tired. Only you know you're tired. So as soon as I say switch, you switch to the other side and roll out until you have to stop. Good work. Good work. Excellent work, fellas. Excellent work, fellas. Good work. Good work. Excellent work, fellas. Excellent work, fellas. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Appreciate y'all as parents raising athletes, training kids, track and football, baseball, whatever you need. Let's go, soccer included. Let's go, fellas. Lights out. Go. 10 seconds. And stop. Excellent work, excellent work, excellent work. What's the next drill? Is alternate steps, correct? Y'all know what alternate steps is, or you want to see them? Well, they're doing it. Do you know what it is? You remember? With the ball? You remember? All right. No. Listen, you don't have to remember. Say no. You got to demonstrate this right here. I ain't going to do it, but they going to do it. Let's go. Demonstrate. All right, so Kai, I want you to hold the ball like that. Just like that, okay? All right. I want you to strengthen your shoulders and everything. Kai, what ball are you using? Using the 20 ball? Huh? Please? Yeah. You can use that ball or the blue. Where the blue 10 at? I got you, but yeah. You can use the black ball, you can use the blue ball, either one. All right? All right, it's time for y'all to go. It's time for y'all to go because y'all stop a minute before them and they do the drill after y'all, right? So that means it's time. Y'all go at 3 minutes, and that would be now. Say, go! They're stepping up, Mario. They're stepping up. Both feet go! They're stepping up, Mario. They're stepping up. Both feet come down. Come on, there you go. You got it now. Hold it, come down. Come on, there you go. You got it now. Hold it in the middle. I want you to hold on the side. Hold it now. Hold it in the middle. I want you to hold on the side. Hold it in the middle. Yeah. I need your body to create balance. The equilibrium needs to be balanced out. Let's go. Track me with somebody going faster than normal, and you cool with that because you do it all. Let's go. I need you out of your comfort zone. 5 seconds. Let's go. Good job, Octavian. That's what I want. I want you to burn out. Stop. That's what I want. What's your number? 30? 51? What's your number? 51. So 251. 51 is the number to beat, fellas. 51 is the number to beat. 51 is the number to beat. Set. Go! Good job. Hold that ball. Make them shoulders stronger. Harris, I need you faster than that. You're going back too far. That's what your issue is. Come on. There you go. That's good work right there. Back too far. That's what your issue is. Come on. There you go. That's good work right there. Let's go. Come on. We don't want to hear about messing up. I want to talk about it during the workout, though. Speed up. What's your number? Count out loud. Come on. Count out loud. Let's go, Ray. Ray, you don't know the number you're on. Let's go. Count out loud. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's go. 5 seconds. And stop. What's your numbers? 49, 50, 30. All right. What was the number to beat? 51? So 49, y'all still in that range. Y'all still right there with them. But we still want to beat them, right? All right. What's the next drill? It's side planking holding, right? All right, we're doing the exact same thing, but we're just holding it. We're not moving, okay, Harrison? Set. Go. Good job, good job, good job. This way you focus on your breathing. You focus on being relaxed in the chaos. Pun intended. For those who don't know, my name is Coach Chaos, Master Fitness Trainer Chaos. And we're trying to make sure that after all that, we can calm down, rest, relax. This boy's on crack. My son wrong with my son. Come on. You gotta be able to balance it out after you've done all that jumping around, all that. Be able to breathe. Get comfortable. Get comfortable. You're shaking like a stripper. Let's go. Shake it like a stripper. Be able to breathe. Get comfortable. Get comfortable. You're shaking like a stripper. Let's go. Shake it like a stripper, man. 15 seconds before we switch. Focus on your go. Shake it like a stripper, man. 15 seconds before we switch. Focus on your breathing. Go ahead and laugh, because all that take core, whether you know it or not, all that take that core. Focus on your breathing. Go ahead and laugh, because all that take core, whether you know it or not, all that take that core. Uh-huh. Switch. Let's go. Come on, Tavion. Switch. There you go. Good job. Training area doubles as a birthday party and everything. Come on, keep that arm up. We need endurance. That's the only way Coach Andre gonna let us on this jackrabbit. Come on, keep that arm up. We need endurance. That's the only way Coach Andre gonna let us on this jackrabbit 4x4. Y'all need endurance. Y'all gotta be able to roll. Jackrabbit 4x4. Y'all need endurance. Y'all gotta be able to roll. Then y'all gotta go multiple. You gotta do individuals after that. 15 seconds, Harrison. How long you gonna stay there? 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Ray, I need you up, homie. You right there in front of me. Ain't like I don't see you. Kai. Stop. All right, 1 minute before y'all boys go with what we got, single leg? Single leg taps. Yeah. Excellent work, fellas. Excellent work. Show us what single leg tap is, Kaka. Show us what single leg tap is, Kaka. I got single leg tap is, Kaka. I got single leg tap next. I got single leg tap next. Arms. Hey, make sure arms. Hey, make sure. Make sure you're drinking water. Make sure you're drinking water. Make sure you're counting. Make sure you're be a master of your domain. Whatever work you don't do, the results you won't get. That's guaranteed. That's the one thing I can guarantee you. I can't guarantee you how much results you will get from the results you won't get. That's guaranteed. That's the one thing I can guarantee you. I can't guarantee you how much results you will get from your work because I don't know what you're eating. I don't know how you're sleeping, but I can guarantee if you don't do nothing, you're going to get nothing. All right? Set. Go. Good work. Bryson outworking you. Bryson outworking you. 30 seconds. Bryson outworking you. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Stop. Numbers. Huh? I can hear you.
44.
44. Good job.
113.
113 is a great number, dude. 94. You just beat your brother in the 400, homie. Just beat your brother in the 400. Get this money. Set. Go. Hey, you count when you hit the box. 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Stay in. Just D outside. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Stop. 125. 110. The boys on one. The boys on one. Great job, great job, great job. Great job. Y'all ready for the next number? We know Bryson come back, right? I mean, the next leg. Next number, next leg. 125, 110. Hey, those great numbers, boys. I'm telling you, y'all about to PR in that 4, in that 2. Shoot, in the 1. You cannot get faster and have a PR in that 4, in that 2. Shoot, in the 1. You cannot get faster and have about the PR in that 4, in that 2. Shoot, in the 1. You cannot get faster and have better numbers. You call your dad? Here, call him for me. Hey, Bryson.
Yes, sir.
Is he outside?
No, sir.
Okay, then why don't you come on back downstairs then, Bryson? I'm waiting on you. You holding me up. You don't sit, but you out there hang out. Come on. Keep calling him. Keep calling. He just called me. Hey, Bryson, we're waiting on you. Let's go. Next leg. You got 2 legs, homie. You with us? All right.
Hello?
Say go. Come on. Let's keep you on the balls of that feet. Come on, let's work, 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 work. So you working over there. 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go. Little brother against big brother. Big brother stopping. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Stop. Numbers. What's your number? 50? 110? 98? Let's work, 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 work. Let's work, let's work. Set, go. Slide over to your left, Kaka. Come on, keep working. Let's work, let's work. Let's work, let's work, let's work. Stay in there, pick it up, pick it up. Come on, pick it up, let's go, let's go, let's go. 30 seconds, let's go. Y'all out of rhythm, get out of that rhythm and pick it up. Go. 30 seconds, let's go. Y'all out of rhythm, get out of that rhythm and pick it up. I'd rather you burn out. I'd rather you burn out because you're working so hard and have to take breaks. Then you make it all the way through because you ain't done nothing. Let's go, Harrison. 10 seconds. Let's go. 5 seconds. Stop. What's your number? 127. What's your number? Oh, y'all working, baby. Them boys working. They killed you on them single leg, but you killed him. They killed you, but you killed him. They killed you, but you killed him. Now imagine that you was hitting numbers and we have been doing this. You know what I mean? Imagine. So we gotta make sure we re-implement this. I'm gonna have to take one of the running mornings or like on the weekend or whatever and add it to the weekend or something. You feel me? Like the hill, go from the hill to here, but where we squat out to the hill. So it's gonna have to be something. All right, hey, we got lunges. We done. Y'all got the kettlebell workout with the lunges and stuff. Okay, let's go. I don't see nobody grabbing the kettlebell. I don't see nobody moving. I don't see nobody doing anything they're supposed to be doing. Let's make that happen. The slower you move, the longer it's gonna take. You jump on in because the workout is gonna happen. The work gonna happen. That we do know. Faster, Kai, fast. That we do know. Faster, Kai, fast. Good job, appreciate it, my guy. Go, son, move, son. Go. Go. Tavion, the aggressive on there. I need you to focus and get on your weight. You waiting on him? All right. But when he coming back that way, I need you coming this way, but it's not possible because you're not moving. I don't want to see the work done. This way, but it's not possible because you're not moving. I don't want to see the work done. Moving. I don't want to see the work done. Moving. I don't want to see the work done. set, go. Good work, Sasa. Excellent work, my guy. Set, go. Excellent work, my guy. Set, go. Fight for it, fight for it, fight for it. Go down. Fight for it, fight for it, fight for it. Go down, don't stay down. Be aggressive on it. Fight for it, fight for it, fight for it. Go down, don't stay down. Be aggressive on coming back up. They lunge down and they stepping up. They lunge down and they stepping up. So please make sure you follow the page so we can get more engagement. We can do. It can bring you more of the work that we're doing here. Great workout. Be aggressive, be aggressive, be aggressive, be aggressive. Don't stay down there. Booby, take the 25. Take the 25. I don't need you working. Yes, please do. Please do. Where the 25 at? You know what? The 25 is upstairs. 25 is upstairs. It's upstairs. Go get the 25 for me. It's right there where your mom box is at. Man, don't put a hole in my wall, Harrison. Get in the middle of the floor. It's right there where your mom box is at. Man, don't put a hole in my wall, Harrison. Get in the middle of the floor. How you all the way on by the wall? Hey, Harrison, everything you're doing is wrong. Man, don't put a hole in my wall, Harrison. Get in the middle of the floor. How you all the way on by the wall? Hey, Harrison, everything you're doing is wrong. How you going, like perfect form and all that? That's wrong. I need you coming up fast. All right? That's what I need. There's no pause, and I need you pushing straight through. No pause. There ain't no pause down there. You run and then stay down there. Move that little 45 pound. Let's go, Ray. Let's go. How about you go mile back there and start right there? Let's start right there.
Then are you talking to Ray?
Come on, Ray. Someone's still on here saying hi. Some of you should be over here exercising. There's some of this, some of that. Some of this. Let's go, Ray.
Calm down. How you want me to finish?
Some of this. Let's go, Ray.
Calm down. How you want me to finish?
Ray, why would the weight be on your leg? Come on, dude.
Calm down. How you want me to finish?
Ray, why would the weight be on your leg? Come on, dude. Hey, in a minute, you're going to be just sitting off to the side because I can't be. Just sitting off to the side because I can't be. Let's go. Alternate, step up. Come on, come on. Go. 10. No, same hand. You need to do 5 in one hand, 5 in the other hand. Curse. Messiah. Don't be cursing, little dude. Okay? Let's go, Ray. Back out here. You can pick this up. I don't need this one. Come on, Ray. Fast, fast, fast. I need you working. Don't lay down. Come on, Ray. Fast, fast, fast. I need you working. Don't lay down now. Come on, you got it. Come on. Come on. I need better work, Ray. I need better work. Come on. I need better work, Ray. I need better work. Don't stay down there. Power coming out of the blocks need to be the same or get better. Need to be the same or getting better, I tell you, man. Come on, Kyle, I need it faster. You ain't going down as much. I need it faster. Let's go. Be aggressive.
You said they didn't have a race.
Step out some more on the right leg ain't stepping out. The left leg good, but the right leg not stepping out. Hey, next time wait a little bit longer, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Well, that way turned you all the way around, homie. Good job. Excellent work. Way to work.